Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because this piece that you see right here, this steamer one, basically just blew off out of the machine. And it just, as you can see, just kind of melted as well. So probably this thing was just super clogged and it created a lot of pressure when they were using the steam, and then it just blast off from the old steamer valve that you see right here. Once I opened this thing, they the whole thing was completely falling apart basically as soon as I opened it up together. The switch was broken, this thing was falling apart as well. So the best way to fix it is just to replace the entire steam assembly. So this is the newer one that we have here, and yeah, we just replaced that. We also cleaned the grinder, especially the hopper, since we had the machine all open apart. It was easy to use for us to clean it around it and remove all the oils from the coffee and all that stuff that it was in there, and it was making the beans not transitioning from the all the way from the hopper to the burst. So we did clean that as well. We did clean the channel over here, the funnel channel as well, to make sure the grounds, whenever they were grinded, it will go straight into the brew assembly right here. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see the grinder working. You can see beans falling straight into the board, perfectly fine. Once those beans get grounded and get into the brew unit will go all the way to the generator, where the water pump will push water from there all the way from the generator and into the spouts and into the cup of coffee. As you saw, we got a 1.5 ounces, which is one of the same that we have it right here. We grinded the macerings as well, and as you can see, we got a nice shot of espresso. Really good cream on the top, excellent quantity as well. Working really great. Hot water for this machine, we're gonna test that as well, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the steamer one. Excellent temperature, really good temperature. Nice steady stream, and of course this thing is flying off. Now let's test the steamer as well. Now the thermal block needs to get up to temperature for the machine to produce steam, but once it gets to temperature, we're going to see a bunch of steam coming out to that one. As the temperature is heating up, the pressure starts building up, and we see more steam coming out to the one, and now we can see the full pressure of the steamer. And as you can see, working really well. In the way it's supposed to. Good temperature, excellent pressure. And there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.